Tired of coming in the morning and seeing this on your NinjaTrader screen? You've actually won 2 trades overnight with your automated strategy. You go to NinjaTrader, no trades. It was not enabled. There was an account disconnect. Well, watch this. It's going to automatically reconnect an account drop and re-enable the strategy. There we go right here. I'm going to simulate an account drop right here. I'm leaving it alone. My mouse is going to stay right there. I'm not going to touch anything. And we're going to show you what this is doing. First of all, it's going to reconnect the account. You'll see a green connection status. There it is, green. And now it's going to re-enable these strategies automatically. It runs through some checks first, and then it will auto enable both of the strategies. There we go. There's the first one starting, and then it's going to check to make sure that it actually went through and it's actually pulling and doing what it's supposed to be doing, not just turned on. And it verified, and now it's enabled, and now it's checking the next one, and it's going to go ahead and do the same thing. Now, what if we actually have an account drop? We're going to do this, and we're going to just exit out of NinjaTrader and watch what Heartbeat's going to do now. We'll actually go to the overview so you can see that. And it's going to detect that NinjaTrader has dropped. Going to log it back in for you. I'm not touching anything. Again, the mouse is just sitting there. I'm going to log it in. And it's going to go through and enable the strategies. There we go. And once it verifies, it'll do the next one. And there you are. That's how Heartbeat works. And it will keep your strategies enabled. How do you get this? Well, it's going to be in the link below, but you can go to firstlightbeacon.com and click on Heartbeat. You can test it for 24 hours free just to, make sure it's working. And what you just saw actually happened. And we have 2 pricing. We have $79.99 for 3 months or $149 a year. Once you fill us out, it'll give you access, and then you'll be directed to a login, and you will download the licensing control center and be able to download Heartbeat. If you have any questions, let me know.